Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to draw in drawio, providing an easy guide to get you started. First, open drawio in your web browser or launch the desktop application. You'll then be prompted to create a new diagram. You can choose a blank canvas or select from hundreds of available templates, such as flowcharts or network diagrams. After making your selection, remember to save your project. You can save it directly to your device or integrate with cloud services like Google Drive or OneDrive for easy access and collaboration. Now let's add some elements to your diagram. On the left side, you'll find extensive shape libraries. Simply drag and drop any shape you need onto the canvas. To connect shapes, hover over an existing shape and blue arrows will appear. You can drag a connector from one of these arrows to another shape, creating a floating connection that adjusts as you move shapes. Alternatively, fixed connection points, appearing as small blue crosses, offer precise attachment. You can also click a blue arrow to quickly add and connect a new shape from a selection of 4 basic options. Personalizing your diagram is simple and intuitive. To add text, just double-click on a shape or connector and start typing. The Format panel on the right side is your command center for styling. Here, you can easily change fill colors, line thickness, and even the style of your connectors, choosing between sharp, rounded, or curved lines. For text, you can adjust the font, size, and color. To resize a shape, drag one of its 8 blue handles and use the rotate icon to change its orientation, giving you full control over your visual presentation. Once your diagram is complete, saving and exporting are crucial steps. The default and recommended format is drawio, which retains all your diagram's editable data. For sharing or presentations, you have several export options. You can export your diagram as a high-quality image in formats like PNG, JPEG, or SVG. If you need a document-friendly version, export it as a PDF. You can even export to HTML. And for both PDF and HTML, you have the option to embed the diagram data, allowing others to open and edit your work in drawio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.